Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy oat cookies. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients like rolled oats, all-purpose flour, and brown sugar. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, prepare your baking sheets with parchment paper. This makes cleanup a breeze and prevents sticking. It's a quick and satisfying process. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, including 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened butter with 1 cup of brown sugar until light and fluffy. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, then gently fold in 2 cups of rolled oats. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your delicious cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheets. Remember to space them about 2 inches apart. This gives them room to spread without merging into one giant cookie. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Almost there. Once baked, let your warm cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These delightful oat cookies are best enjoyed fresh, but you can store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.